Right, now, so I fly along the river, take her up a little bit, and I'm off to Pink Hill Lock, I think it's called. Been there before, but thought I'd give it another try. And try and fly along the course of the river as best as possible. That's quite a sharp bend. I'm not very high at the moment, so I think I'll just get a little bit higher. Oh, it's a beautiful day now, it's really hot. I haven't got much of a signal. That's a bit better. I'll open the antennas a bit more. I'm always doing that, forgetting to open the antennas. So hopefully that might improve the signal situation. That's going quite close to the reservoir there. That's better signal. I've lost the river. Oh, there it is, over there. Quite a difference in the signal strength from place to place. Get to about 100 feet, that should be safe enough. Alright, stay there. Oh, go off a bit. I just didn't like that, so I better stay high. Let's lose signal, otherwise. I'll take some pictures of the reservoir. Right. Right, head back towards the lock. There's a lock down there. Maximum height. Oops. That was me. I had my finger on the wrong control. I was going up rather than along. Bloody idiot. No, doesn't like that. So I better turn around, I think. That's a shame. Right. Bring her back towards me. There's home. It's a shame I lost signal. I'll try going the other way when I get back, put another battery in and see if I can get as far as I did last time over the caravan site. And there's a few people. We'll bring it down, the altitude down a bit. 150 feet thereabouts. Get her to land on the table, I think, when we get back. I'm travelling at 17 miles an hour at the moment. At 143 feet. Getting close now. Bring her down a bit more. 100 feet. Should be able to see her soon. There I am. There she is.